Let's solve homework exercise number 24 from section 10.4. It states that the carpet costs $25.96 per square yard and is available in whole square yards only. Find the cost of carpeting the 3-bedroom floors and the accompanying floor plan. Okay, so we have to click on the icon there to view the floor plan. So if we click right there, we want to go ahead and carpet the 3 bedrooms. And the 3 bedrooms, if you notice there, are given. Bedroom number 1, master bedroom is 14 by 14 feet. Bedroom 2 is 11 by 12, and bedroom 3 is 12 by 11. Same area for bedroom 2 and 3. They're just the length and width are just switched. So 14 by 14, 11 by 12, and 12 by 11. So we'll remember that, and that's in feet. So there's our floor plan, and then let's go ahead and look at what we have to do then. So we have the 1 bedroom is 14 by 14. Okay, so 14 by 14 feet is 196 square feet. 11 by 12 is 132 square feet. And then the 3rd bedroom is 12 by 11, which of course is another 132 square feet. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add up these 3 bedrooms and count it as one big area. We can do that since we're doing the 3, we need to do the 3 bedrooms, okay? So if we add up these areas, we get 0, 6, carry the 1, 460 square feet for all 3 bedrooms, 460 square feet. But now what? It's given in costs and per square yard. So what we got to do is we got to convert. Okay, so we'll take 460 square feet, convert into square yards, because that's what the cost is. And remember, 1 square yard is 9 square feet, because remember, a square yard, you can cut it into 3 feet by 3 feet. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square feet, because every square yard cuts into 3 feet. But so when 2 dimensions would give us 9. So we're going to go ahead and do 460 divided by 90, divide by 9 to get the number of square yards. Okay? So that will be the area of the 3 bedrooms in square yards. So 460 square feet divided by 9, and we get 51.111 square yards, okay? So 460 square feet, and then 1 square yard is equivalent to 9 square feet, gives us 51.1 square yards. But now it is available only in whole square yards, so the 51.1 square yards is going to be rounded up to 52 square yards, again because it's only available in whole square yards, so we got to round up to 52 to make sure we have enough. And then we finally get our cost by taking the 52 square yards, multiplying by 25.96 per square yard to get the total amount of money. So we can do that on our calculator and do the multiplication of 52 times 25.96 to get our total cost. So we got 52 times 25.96, and we get a cost of $1,349.92. All right, very good. Okay. Let's go to problem number 25. Express the required calculation in terms of pi and then round to the nearest tenth. How much fencing is required to enclose a circular garden whose radius is 30 meters? Okay, now, the fencing goes around the circular garden, right? So here it is. 30 meters is the radius. So going around is the circumference. So the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius. We're supposed to do it in terms of pi. So it's 2 times pi times the radius, which is 30. So we can simply take the 2 times 30 and make it 60 pi. And again, it is meters. It's a linear measure because it goes around. It's the length of it would be the length of a rope around the circle, and then if you undid it and you made it straight across, so then you just made it a line, that would just be a linear measure. So that would be 60 pi in terms of leaving your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so we have to put in 60 with the pi symbol. It's not there, and then it's just meters, a linear measure. Okay, and now approximately, we'll do it on the calculator, 60, and then second, and the up arrow key, the exponent key, gives you the pi. You hit enter, it gives you the decimal, and to the nearest tenth, 1.8849 would be 188.5. And again, of course, it would be a linear measure. It would be in meters. All right? Very good. Okay, how many flowers spaced every 6 inches are needed to surround a circular garden with a 30-foot radius? Okay, again, we're going around a garden. So we're going to go around, so it's a circumference. So the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius. Okay. Now we have the circumference would be 2 times 3.14 or whatever you want to use the pi key times 30. Okay. Now this is going to give us the answer in terms of how many feet the circumference is. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do 2 times, and again I can just use the exact value of pi, 2 pi times 30, and we get 188.5. Now that is in feet, right? 188.5 feet. But we want to go every 6 inches, so we're going to convert this into inches. So we know there are 12 inches in every 1 foot by dimensional analysis. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the 188.5 by 12 to get the number of inches that will give us the circumference in terms of inches. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do 188.5, it's already there, times 12. Times 12 to get the number of inches. Okay, now, and now they're spaced, flowers are spaced every 6 inches. So what we're doing is we're going to see how many 6 inches go into the total amount. So we're going to take the 2261.94 so on and divide by 6 to see how many 6-inch increments will go into that, and that will tell us how many flowers we need. So we can go ahead and simply divide by 6. Okay, divide by 6. And we get 376.99, which obviously to the nearest whole number would be 377. All right, very good. We're going to stop this session here. If you have any questions, send me an email at tsquares@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.